Most people look at a penny and see exactly 1 cent. In fact, many people don't even bother picking them up off the sidewalk anymore. But that's a massive mistake. Since 1959, when the U.S. Mint switched from the wheat design to the Lincoln Memorial back, billions of these coins have entered circulation. Most are common, but a select few are lottery tickets hiding in plain sight. Today we're breaking down the Lincoln Memorial and Shield series. I'm going to show you the specific errors that sell for 5 figures, the 1982 transition that confuses most collectors, and how to spot a fortune in your pocket change. 1959 was a big year. To honor the 150th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, the Mint introduced the Memorial Reverse, designed by Frank Gasparo. Now, here is your first lesson. Pennies from 1959 to early 1982 are made of 95% copper. Because copper prices have skyrocketed, these pre-82 pennies are actually worth about 2 to 3 cents just for their metal content. But we aren't looking for 3 cents. We're looking for the big money. Take the 1969 S. If you see doubling on the words Liberty and the date, you aren't looking at a penny. You're looking at a coin that is sold for over $125,000 at auction. Always keep a magnifying glass handy for those early S mints. If you're a serious student of numismatics, you have to know about 1982. This was the transition year. The Mint stopped making solid copper pennies and switched to zinc with a thin copper coating. This created 7 major varieties, but there is one holy grail you need to memorize. The 1982D small date copper. For years, people thought it didn't exist until one was found and sold for nearly $20,000. How do you find it? You need a digital scale. If you find a 1982 penny with a D mint mark and a small, delicate date, and it weighs 3.1 grams on your scale, congratulations, you just found one of the rarest modern coins in existence. The hunt doesn't stop in the 80s. In the 1990s, the Mint made a mistake on the spacing of the letters A and M in America. Look for the 1992 close AM and the 1999 wide AM. These transition errors can easily fetch $500 to $2,000 depending on their condition. In 2010, the design changed again to the Union Shield. Even on these brand new coins, errors are popping up. Look for shield cents with doubled die signatures or die chips on the top of the shield. These might look like tiny bumps of extra metal, but to a collector, they represent a premium price over face value. At the end of the day, finance is about recognizing value where others don't. A penny might be the smallest unit of U.S. currency, but for the educated collector, it's a gateway to a massive payday. Go through your jars, check your dates, and weigh your 82s. If you want more deep dives into the world of rare money and smart investing, make sure to follow this page and share this video with a friend. You never know who might be sitting on a fortune.